Hi there, welcome to my channel. I am Striker Disco. As you know already, your English teacher. But today I am delighted to be here with you in this video. In this video, we're gonna learn 3 tongue twisters in English. But do not forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Still connected, and I'm going back. Okay? Jean de do avant, as we said previously, 3 tongue twisters in English. It's pronounced like that. 3 tongue twisters. Today, you are going to learn 3 tongue twisters in English. What is a tongue twisters? A tongue twisters is a great way to practice your pronunciation. If you want to have an ability and about your pronunciation, just come in this video to practice these tongue twisters. Tongue twisters, c'est des façons, des bonnes façons que vous êtes capable de pratiquer la prononciation. Si vous avez besoin d'une habilité pour parler anglais, vous êtes capable d'aider pour parler anglais très bien avec prononciation. Ok? Tongue twister. 3 tongue twisters. Now let's get started. The first one is first I go slow. After we're gonna go quickly. So I think that you are following and try to wave it after. Now let's go. The first one is how much would, repeat after me. Répétez après chaque samedi et vous-même vous pouvez répéter après pour Kevin. Même là, okay? How much would a woodchuck chuck? Repeat. How much would a now you make the linking. Now failure is woulda. How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Okay? How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Let's go. How much would a woodchuck chuck? How much would a woodchuck chuck? Yes, could you say the same way with me? Yes, because it's the same. How much would a woodchuck chuck? Now let's go slowly. How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Okay? Let's go bien mémoriser. On répète encore. How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Okay? Now let's go quickly. So try to repeat after me. Let's go. How much would a woodchuck chuck wood? Yes, that's pas dit comme ça même j'arrive. Now, on a répété là encore vite, vous allez là. Okay? How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? How much would a woodchuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Okay, entonces, et what mémoriser premier tongue twister. Okay, now let's go for a second tongue twister. But say it is not well possible, I think. And the second tongue twister will be easy for you today. Okay, now let's start. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. What's the name? Yes. She sells. Hello. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. You say the same way with me now. Try to say the same way. Now let us go. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. Okay, try. Okay. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. Wow! Don't try to say the same words. Essayez pour me dire même façon avec. Parce qu'il n'est pas difficile de vous pratiquer ou à dire rap. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. Now let's go for the third tongue twister. On a les pour troisième tongue twister. I think that you are following. Ok? Você que va suivre avec un pilates. Ok. Pour troisième là, il est vraiment facile. Il est facile pour moi, c'est pour, but I don't know. So try to repeat after me. Can you cannot? Can you cannot? Cannot. Là, on va faire linking en net. On va faire liaison en net. Can you cannot? Cannot. Américain l'aimé, les qui vont parler anglais ou faire liaison. Et là où faire liaison, on va parler anglais, ça vraiment belle. Vous connaissez mon qui est anglais, c'est ça bon. Can you cannot? Cannot. Yes, try to repeat after me. Répétez après. Can you cannot? Cannot. Canner. Cannot. Can you cannot? Cannot. Canner. Cannot. Now, let's go slow. On a les langues. Can you cannot? Cannot. Canner. Cannot. Can you cannot? Cannot. Canner. Cannot. Você que está mémorisé. On répète encore. Can you cannot? Cannot. Canner. Cannot. Now let's go quickly. Can you cannot? Cannot. Can you cannot? Can you cannot? Cannot. Let what things it. Can you cannot? You will respond what the yes I can cannot. Okay? Now let's go quickly. Can you cannot? Can you cannot? Yes I can cannot. Wow! Try to repeat after me. Listen before and repeat after me. Can you cannot? Yes I can cannot. Can you cannot? Yes I can. Yeah. Okay, now it's time to make a review for you because we already repeat these tongue twisters for you. Now it's time to make a review for you. For the first was, how much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? But say you memorize. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Okay? Pour deuxième là, c'était she sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. Et pour troisième là, et can you cannot? Yes I can. Okay? Pensez que vous mémorisez what tongue twisters are here, and I think that you're gonna love this video also. Pensez que vous allez aimer vidéo ça aujourd'hui. Dans vidéo ça vous pratiquer what tongue twisters en anglais. Okay? How much wood will we chuck wood? She sells seashells by the seashore. Can you cannot? Okay. As in what tongue twisters are you pour pratiquer aujourd'hui? Pensez que vous pas oublier to like vidéo ça et abonner avec channel. The more you practice English, the better you become. Plus vous pratiquez anglais, c'est plus what you for. Ok? Partagez vidéo ça. Tout le monde qui est habitué à partager vidéo. Wow, ça fait content et moi très conscient pour toujours partager vidéo. Vous moi reconnaissant, partager. The most important for me, share this video. This was a nice moment in this lesson. Goodbye. See you next for another lesson.